Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix exit code 1 error that you get while trying to install Intel graphics driver. To get started, simply search for device manager and open it. From here, expand display adapters, then right click over Intel graphics, then select update driver. Click on browse, select this option and here select Microsoft basic display adapter and click on next. Now close this window, close the device manager. Now try to run the installer. Make sure you right click over it and run it as administrator. At this point, select execute a clean installation and then click on start to install the driver, and this time you won't get any errors further. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.